Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to block someone on TikTok. So this is a very easy tutorial, but you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your TikTok application. Open your TikTok account. Now, if you want to block someone on TikTok, you just have to simply click this search icon here or the magnifying glass at the top right corner. And then you just have to search the person's name here. Let's just say I wanted to block this person. Okay, so anyways, this is just random people, okay? I don't know this person, but this is just an example. Okay, so let's just say I want to block this one. I just have to go to her profile, click the share icon, and then tap block, and then tap block again. Now, if you want to unblock the person, just simply tap unblock and then click unblock again. That's how easy it is, okay? And let's just say if that person is your friend or one of your followers, you just have to tap follower here or following here, and then tap that person's name, okay? And then go to his or her profile, tap the share icon, and then click block. Tap block again, as easy as that. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.